All right, hi, this is another video about installing some gauges. I've installed 3 gauges here. Let's see if we can get better lighting. I don't know if that helps, right? So this is the boost, that's oil, temperature here, and AM wideband. The wideband is not yet set up, but there's power that comes to the rest of them from the ignition, and that's good. Now this plate here that was used, or thing, I don't know what you would call it, but the thing that I used to fit into that section, into the slot, is sheet metal. And I'm going to show you the sheet metal I use. I'm going to show you what I bored it with, and yeah, and how I bent it. Okay, just a quick, I'm not going to make a new one, I'm just going to give a run through of that. Oops. Okay, now I use this. This is the bit I used to bore it, the aluminium, and you know the I think it's 52 mil, the hole, so you could go up to 50 and grind it. I use a Dremel with a different tip to just open it a little bit, and it gives a nice snug fit in there. Right, now this is the thickness that I used. I think it's 0.9 mil, so you could just say 1 mil. No, I did a very creative thing. Well, I made myself proud. In my table, there's 2 pieces of wood that I screwed together. So I used my caliper to get the measurement of the gap for the space inside the car. I used my marker to mark it, 2 points, and then I open up this wood here, set it in at the point, and just bend it so I get a nice, neat line. I did that for this side, then you turn it, do it for that side, and then you bore your 3 holes equally measured across, and yeah, spray painted, and that was it. Cheap, inexpensive, and I'll probably get what you call it, fiberglass wrap, carbon fiber wrap rather, to make it a little bit more uniform with the rest of the vehicle. Says it's carbon. Right, so yeah, that's how it is. So it's correct measurement between there and there, and the top part of it is a little bit longer going back, and the bottom bit here is a little bit shorter. So, and there is no screws or nothing to set it. It's just made just very tight. So it sits in there very tight. I doubt it will vibrate out. I'm not sure as yet. That's something I'll check later on. But yeah, that's how I did that. Very inexpensive, and looks fair in my estimation. Is, you know, I don't know if you could really tell. It's quite neat. Yeah, see? Yeah, it's a little gap there. Yeah, but that's about imperfection. That side is nice and flush. better light. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's that one. Oh, also, quick notification: the prop shaft and the shifter link. I think the link was cut to about 970 mil, and the prop shaft was 100 mil. I think I have a sample of it here. What was left? Yeah, that's one bit. That's the other bit. All right, the battery dies on this, so you won't actually see the number. But yeah, so that's what. Yeah, so that's the what was cut out of the links. All right. Yeah. Yeah. I think that's it. Just a few bits and bobs to get everything working fine. But obviously, depending on the gearbox that you use and the adapter plate you use, that would inform the distance that you cut. But I cut my prop shaft a little bit shorter, maybe about 10 mil shorter, and you know, just for safety, just so I didn't have to get a recut. But it works fine. So the next video will be another starting up of it, and it's maiden drive. That's it.